Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create and manage sale quotations in Odoo. This is an important feature for businesses that want to streamline their sales processes and keep track of their deals. To get started, we're going to click on the Sales app in our Odoo dashboard. We're going to go to Orders and click on the Quotations tab. Here we're going to click on the New button, and it's going to take us to this dialog box where we can enter all of the information and details of the quotation, including the customer's name, the product or service that we're selling, and we can also add the price here. You can also add any additional notes here in our log note feature or in the Notes tab. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to create this quotation. So first of all, we're going to add the customer. It's going to say Finn is going to be purchasing this. So we're going to add our product now. So let's say this customer is going to get, say they're going to get ice cream. All right, so now that we have all the information, we're going to go ahead and send it by email to them. Go ahead and send. And best case scenario, they do go ahead, want to proceed with the order, and we can just go ahead and have them confirm this button. So we're going to confirm this quotation, and now this is how this quotation becomes a sale order. And that's it. With Odoo's sales quotation feature, you can create professional looking quotes in minutes and keep track of all of your deals in one place. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other Odoo tutorials for more tips and tricks. Bye!